Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Trust Wallet account permanently. It's crucial to understand that deleting a crypto wallet isn't like deleting a social media account. Once you lose access to your recovery phrase, your funds are gone forever. This guide will help you navigate the process safely, ensuring you don't accidentally lose any valuable assets. Always double-check your actions before proceeding with any steps. Before considering any form of deletion, the absolute first step is to secure your recovery phrase. Navigate to your wallet settings within the Trust Wallet application, find the Show Recovery Phrase option, and carefully write down all 12 words. Store this phrase in a safe, offline place, perhaps a fireproof safe or a secure deposit box. Remember, this phrase is the master key to your funds. Losing it means losing everything. To remove a specific wallet from your device, open the Trust Wallet application and head into the Settings menu. From there, select Wallets to see a list of all your imported or created wallets. Tap the three dots next to the wallet you intend to remove, then select Delete Wallet. Confirm this action when prompted. This step removes the wallet from your app, but it does not permanently delete the blockchain record. It's vital to grasp that you cannot truly delete a crypto wallet from the blockchain itself, as blockchain records are immutable. What you are effectively doing when you aim for permanent deletion is destroying your recovery phrase. Without this 12-word key, no one, including you, can ever access the associated funds again. This action is irreversible, so proceed with extreme caution and only if absolutely certain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.